Okay, my Math 3 scholars, in this video we're going to consider what if we're given a composite figure, meaning we're given more than just one figure. Now what we've looked at along has been the volume of just a cylinder, or just a cone, or just a pyramid, or just a prism. But what if we have two in one? So in other words, what if we have, so here I have this cylinder here, but I also have this cone. So there's two things here that I've got to put together. So really what I need to do is I need to find the volume of the cylinder. So I need to find the volume of the cylinder, and I need to add to it the volume of the cone. I've got to find both of these and put those two together in order to come up with my answer here, okay? So let's start with the volume of the cylinder. Okay, so the volume of a cylinder, if you remember back, the volume of a cylinder is pi r squared h. Now the r is the radius. We're given the radius here. That's 8.5. We're also given the height of the cylinder. It's 23. So we're going to key that in. Pi times 8.5 squared times 23. And we're going to key that in the calculator. Okay, so I'm going to put in pi, help if I turn it on. Pi times 8.5 squared times 23. All right, that gives us 5,220.5 units cubed. So we get 5,220.5 units cubed. Since we're not given units, we'll just say units cubed. Okay, now I've got to add to that the volume of the cone. Now, to do the volume of a cone, it is 1/3 pi r squared h. Now, I do know the radius because these circular bases are the same. So if I come down to here, I know that this distance is 8.5. I know that, down to the center of this. What I don't know is this height right here. I don't know the height of my cone, okay? I don't know that. But I do know that these sides here equal 17.6. This creates a right triangle. So I can find this one. This is my hypotenuse side. So 17.6 squared has to equal 8.5 squared plus x squared. Oops, sorry, I was writing up too far. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, 17.6 squared, I keyed that in the calculator. It's 309.76. And 8.5 squared is 72.25. Okay, subtract 72.25 from both sides, and you get 237.51. That equals that x squared. And then if you take the square root of both sides, you get that x equals 15.4. That's our height. So this is 15.4. Now I can come down here to my formula because I've got my height now. V equals 1/3 pi. R is 8.5. And then H we just found to be 15.4. All right, now we're going to key that in the calculator. So 1/3 times pi times 8.5 squared times 15.4. That gives us 1,165.2, we'll say. 1,165.2 units cubed. All right, now we're going to add those two together. So 5220.5 plus 1165.2, that gives us 6385.7. So our volume is 6,385.7 units cubed. Okay? For number 9, I would like for you to try it, and then in the next video, I will work it.